The conflict in Gaza has rocked oil markets, sending prices higher. Traders have feared an unpredictable escalation, potentially hitting supplies in the region. On Wednesday, however, there were signs of those concerns easing. US and international oil prices fell on growing hopes for a ceasefire. That follows a renewed push by Egypt to revive talks between Israel and militant group Hamas, which runs Gaza. Benchmark crude prices fell over 1% in early European trade in response, down for a third straight day. Other factors also weighed on the market. New figures showed a rise in US oil stocks, defying forecasts for a fall. The country also saw its biggest monthly increase in production for over 3 years. Keeping oil from slipping any further was a Reuters survey pointing to a fall in output from OPEC nations. That reflects lower exports from Iran, Iraq and Nigeria. Back in January, the oil-producing group of nations and allies agreed voluntary cuts to output in a bid to prop up prices.
GSK raised its full-year profit forecast on Wednesday. The UK drug maker saw strong demand for vaccines and specialty medicines. CEO Emma Walmsley's strategy has focused on such products as well as treatments for infectious diseases. She's also pushed for a shift in HIV focus to long-acting treatment and prevention therapy. The firm said it expected a rise of up to 10% in annual adjusted earnings per share. That's up from the growth previously forecast. GSK said sales of recently launched products like respiratory disease vaccine Arexvy, among others, have gone well. It reported first quarter sales of close to $9.2 billion, just ahead of forecasts. But GSK also noted sales growth would slow in the second half. It projected the majority of its sales of blockbuster shingles vaccine Shingrix in China to be in the first half. GSK is also dealing with lawsuits over its discontinued heartburn drug Zantac in the US. The claimants alleged the medicine caused cancer. The company took a provision of about $389 million in Q1 over that and other legal liabilities. GSK shares rose more than 2% early Wednesday following the earnings report.